Well, well, well. Okay, so I'm into Brazil now. I'm a Brazilian just for today. I'm traveling from Jamaica. Love from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica. So, I'm a reactor. I react to music from all over the entire world. Yeah, so I've heard that Gabriel Henrique has given us a brand new song. But I have a question for y'all. Do anyone of y'all know Bob Marley? Do anyone of y'all know Usain Bolt? Please let me know in the comment section so we could have a conversation in the comments. Okay? I know I'm trespassing, but please just let me in just for this once. I think I'll be back though, but please give me a chance now because I've heard that Gabriel Henrique giving us a brand new track, and I'm traveling from way across from Jamaica to Brazil to hear one of my favorite singers of all time sings. Well, well. Okay, so Gabriel, I know you're a person that does music in your room or in your house. So please, I'm a trespasser, I'm a stranger, but I'm not here to do anything wrong. I'm just here to react to your music. I'm just here to listen to what you have to say. So please, give me a chance. Okay, Gabriel, so we're going to react to your music called You Are Still the One, Gabriel Henrique, cover 2024. Thank you for accepting me in your home, bro. I'm really happy. Okay, guys, so without further ado, thank you for really staying there for me. I'll give you something phenomenal. I'll give an excellent reaction. Let's see what's up. Let's see what Gabriel is about to do in this point.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we come, my baby.
Hey! Okay. It's been a while. It's been so long since I've done a reaction to Gabriel. And the welcome is phenomenal. It's really phenomenal. Oh, wow. Amazing. Let's continue.
We might be took the long way. We knew we get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my. Hey. Oh, wow. This song is so beautiful. And to hear Gabriel sing this song, bro, bro. Damn, bro, he's good. Gabriel is so good, guys. Yo, bro. Hey. Oh, wow. Gabriel, bro, just. Oh my god, guy. Yo. This guy's different. He's totally different.
But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong.
Oh, hey. If I do not know nothing at all about music, one thing I will know. Gabriel have a beautiful voice, an astounding breath control, right? And his lips are perfect, bro. Hey, bombard, bro. Yo, bro, keep it up.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I run for life.
Oh my god, bro. I gotta say, this guy is really impressive. He's really impressive. There's not a day I react to Gabriel's music and I'm not impressed. There's not a day. The way all this man master is singing is freaking cool, bro. Wow. Wow. Phenomenal one, bro.
You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss. Good night.
Well, well, I gotta say, hey, nothing beats the original. The original is always the original. But when Gabriel implements his side of it, bro, the original is no comparison, bro. Boo, 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 hey, hey, ah! Gabriel, bro, keep up the excellency. You are mind blowing, bro. You are mind blowing.
Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen.
Bro. Oh, hey. I'm so pleased with what I'm hearing so far. I'm so pleased. In fact, I'm always pleased with Gabriel's music. I mean, like, I never had doubt in this man's music. But what Gabriel is doing is literally fucking amazing. Amazing! Amazing! Ah! Guys, I can't sing, but Gabriel makes me feel as if I'm a singer. I can't sing. I'm just here for the music. That's all, bro. Ain't no freaking way I've heard a Brazilian sing so freaking awesome. Never yet, bro. Phenomenal, bro. Phenomenal, bro.
Look at what we would be missing. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on.
Oh! Oh! Boo! 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 Hey! No one tests Gabriel. No one tests Gabriel, bro. I mean, like, this man is in a league of his own. He's literally a guy who's running a race with himself because there's no one that can catch up to this man's energy, bro. He's so energetic. He's so phenomenal when he's singing. This man is a full freaking package. Boo! Boo! Boo!
We're still together, still going strong. You're still the one I run to.
Boo! 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 Hey! Ah! Hey! Jesus Christ, guys. I mean, like, oh my God, Gabriel, bro. Damn, bro, you're good. You're really good, bro. You're really good.
The all that I belong to is still the one I run for life. You're still the one that I love.
Hey! Oh God, guys. Oh, this is freaking amazing. Outstandingly amazing. I gotta say, bro. Compliments. You guys, Gabriel always, I mean, like, always puts a smile on my face. It's so relaxing. It's just enchanting. Freaking enchanting, bro. Yeah! And freaking chant. Hey!
The only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss. Good night. It's still the one I want to.
Hey! Hey! Ah! Bro. Okay. I gotta say, bro. Compliments on the pianist. Compliments on the instrumental, bro. Compliments on this entire setup, bro. Oh my God. Alright. Freaking amazing. Gabriel is the best in Brazil. Brazilian singer Gabriel is that the best. No fussy test, bro. No fussy test.
The all that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
You guys know what makes Gabriel so unique? He can just give his note like this, keep it up here. Then when he's finishing the song, the note's on a flat line, bro. And this is what we call bars, bro. Bars!
I'm so glad we made it. Look how far we come, my baby.
Well done, bro. Well done. Gabriel, this is a well done performance. Again, you have done it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video. Smash that subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.